morning.
Good morning. Here we are in Amber Cove.
The Dominican Republic.
Yes, it's nice and sunny today. We're going to get off and do a lot of walking.
We are. We might go to the Sky Bar I showed you just a few minutes ago and get a drink.
Ha, we might.
Whatever she says. Anyway, Carnival Freedom's coming in, so we can't get off yet because they closed the dock, but we'll bring that to you.
Yeah, as soon as the ship gets here, then they'll open up both ships to get off again.
Right. So.
We just had breakfast. It was so good.
Yep. Alrighty.
Bye.
See you. Welcome to Amber Cove. You got your pool area over there, all complimentary. Gift shops. Watch out, baby. Yeah. All your other shops, that's where your famous sign is. Everybody gets a picture with. More shops, more shops. Now, if you're thirsty, you want to get a drink. It's called the Sky Bar up there. Go get you a beer up there. You got to walk up a little trail right over there. It goes up behind all these bushes. And that's pretty much it in port. Old tailless Freedom that we were supposed to be on 2 weeks ago. Had a little incident, can't get on, couldn't get on. Still sticky. We had a cool room, I'll show you right where it was when it backs up to us.
Morning announcement. Don't forget to get some ice cream.
No whale tail still. Going to dry dock soon. Gotta put it back on. Looking up, getting ready to go somewhere over the side. Just cabanas you can rent.
We'll tell our rich friend RJ to rent us one of those.
About a 5-minute walk down the pier, and then you're going to go into the shops naturally, and through them, and then you'll be in the interior. So welcome to Amber Cove. Open the doors and out the other. So you're going to exit there, and you can go to the right or to the left. We'll take you down both ways. And you can also go up to the top up there, or over to the pool area over here. So if you want to go to the Sky Bar and get a drink, you're going to go up that little path right there. Right here, you're going to go up. And you just walk up. Now, if you're in a hover-round or a scooter or something, you're not going to be able to make it. But now I heard there's an elevator, but I don't know where it's at. I'll try to find it for you. Meantime, we're going to make our way toward the pool area. On the way, you got Coco Cana, which is like a senior frogs club, whatever you want to call it. And then you have your pool area over here. Probably have to change this music because it's probably going to copyright it, but I don't know. Alright, here's your prices. You can rent a 2-person kayak, $35. Water sports. Goes up to 4 people. Limited $28. Accessories, pool floats, noodles. Now here's the fun part. The cabanas. You want a hillside cabana, $340. Poolside, $359. Ocean cabana, which are these out there. Oh, and if you want the grand cabana, that's per day, folks. Per day.
What is that? Zip lining.
Yep. Zip line is unlimited. You can do it as many times as you want. It's one traverse. Where you can rent your boats and stuff, your launches. The little boats you can rent. You saw the prices on the sign. And there are the ships. And these are your over $1,000 a day cabanas.
No. Those
You mean
little
you
ones
don't,
are
you
$380.
don't really want to rent one of those?
Those are $380.
You don't want to
No,
rent
I'm going to
those?
ask my rich friend RJ to rent it for us.
RJ and Danny, they probably buy us
They'll
one of
buy it.
those
Get
when we
us
come
that
here.
one in the end.
Yeah, next month when we're on the celebration, maybe they'll buy us one of
But
those.
you know what? I would like to come here and do the kayaking.
So here it is now. You definitely don't need that one because that's the big one out there. But if you had this one, you can have up to 8 people in it. You take $380 and divide it by 8. That's really not bad for a whole day. It comes with water, free Wi-Fi, TV, naturally all the seats, and you can jump off into the water and get back up. Pretty cool. You also got, that first pool is a pool that leads into the lazy river. The lazy river goes around. It's kind of short, but at least it's a lazy river. Plenty of seating, that's for sure. But when you got 6,000 people on one ship and 3,000 something on the other ship, it could fill up pretty fast. But from your lazy river, you have a little area for the kids to play in. Little splash zone. That pretty much ends this side. And there's your zip line. Matter of fact, here they come. And once you pay your $28, you can do that all day long if you want. So have a food, well, I guess a food cart, and you can get your hot dogs and other stuff here. Alright, and then you got your slides areas that comes back into that same pool I showed you a little bit earlier. And then the lazy river goes right around there. We have one little reserved area right down in here. You can reserve all these seats. Get you a swim up bar. Then you have your poolside cabins. Go there and all the way back around. And this is where you can go get your foot ate off, all your scales ate off by them little fish.
That's weird. It tickles. It's a very strange.
It's a shake my feet. They probably die tomorrow.
They just come. It's right up to it.
This is where you'll meet for your excursions, which is right outside the doors where we came in. All your booths will be set up for your excursions. As you can see, a lot of them are going out. And you got your shops that go all the way down and around. See our ship in the background over the building. They do have a lot of excursions. You just have your shops again. Not sure what they do in that building. It hasn't been open the last 2 or 3 times we've been here.
Oh, I don't.
At the end is where you'll catch your buses for your excursions. And that's where they'll all end up meeting to go on their excursions. Phase second, Coco Cabin Lounge. This is usually a popular picture place. We're not going to stand in that line because we've already done it, but this is a nice place to get your picture taken, especially with the backdrop of the ship. All right, the next stop, we're right there, the watering hole. There's where we just were, walked all the way down, and now we're going back to the sheep. Little trivia question for all of you, put it in the comments down below. What are those silver things you see, those chrome things? Let me know if you know what they're for. I work in a shipyard, I do. Here's a close-up of one. The things I didn't notice when you were sitting in here in the brass magnolia is didn't realize you can see into the casino. This is our 3rd time on here, and this is the first time I've noticed that. There she is, doing what she does. Summer landing. All right, here I am with.
Yeah.
Indeed.
And they're here on the Mardi Gras with us, and they're from cold Canada. So, you like the ship?
It's very nice.
They do like the ship, and they love the food. So, and they're big fans of.
Party of 2.
There you go, party of 2 cruising. Well, I hope you have a great time. Hope to meet you good. Have fun in Grand Turk tomorrow. They're going to go to Jag Shack. They'll probably get a little tipsy. They're getting the buckets. So, anyway, we'll catch up with you later. My baby bringing us ice cream and shaking it. chocolate and strawberry?
That's yours. Take it or leave it.
I'll take it. All right, look, my baby brought me an ice cream, so we're gonna cheer to it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ice cream. Party time.
Party time. All right, we're gonna sit out here for a little while. We don't leave till 6 p.m.
Party time.
And then we have a Zoom meeting at 6:30 with our crew. We'll explain that later. And then we're going to the steakhouse for
Party
dinner.
time.
Yum yum lamb chops, baby. Where are we going, babe?
We're going to steakhouse on the. No, I bought this for your Valentine's Day.
She
there
did.
You go.
Happy
My
Valentine's
love. We're gonna have a good dinner. I'm hungry.
I'm getting the lamb chops.
Darling. Okay, we gotta go. The host is here.
Going to the steakhouse. Our first little appetizer, some bread. It's more like a pastry. Something from the chef with a cherry sauce. Not the same thing. You got this shrimp cocktail, and it's glued to the plate. Watch. It's glued to the plate.
Very, very hot. Okay.
Stuffed mushroom and a French onion soup. Yummy, yummy. Your second appetizer, salad.
God, this is literally good. Ribeye, onion rings, french fries, and loaded baked potato, baby.
I got the lamb chops and the mushrooms.
These are baked potato, ketchup, and A1 sauce.
Apple pie with ice cream. Cheesecake.
Hello, we're doing our closing at night, but guess what? We don't have hot chocolate.
Chocolate.
Get
Nowhere.
ice cream, can't get hot chocolate, and I'm not in the mood for a chocolate martini.
And it's
So here
only
we are.
and it's only 10:15.
And here we are.
Oh, and now they've turned the lights out of the
The lights
pool.
are out, the party's over. But listen, we were just takeout, so it is late. So I get it. We're ready to go to bed. But I really wanted some hot chocolate.
No hot chocolate, no cookies, nothing.
No ice cream.
So anyway,
And not, maybe we could go get a chocolate martini.
we're just gonna go on protest and go to bed.
No, he won't get me a chocolate martini. You know what he says? No, you don't need a chocolate martini. So guess what?
We're going to bed.
I will not get chocolate. But wait, if I get hungry, through the night,
Give me a steak.
I brought my steak. I brought my steak dinner with me because I couldn't eat it. And guess what? I got cheesecake. Because you know what? Cheesecake is good.
No, I got cheesecake. She ate it.
Yeah, but cheesecake is good.
I want to put her to bed.
Say it.
Say it.
Cheesecake is good.
Cheesecake is good.
Thank you.
So is hot chocolate when you can get it.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.